Hey, what's up? John Charette. I'm back. I just recorded a video about why I use battery backups. You can check it out here. But now I'm going to actually take this apart. If you need to replace the battery in your battery backup, this is the video to watch. I ordered a replacement battery for the CyberPower CP1500AVRLCDa unit from Amazon. It was given the fact that I got next day shipping, it was the cheapest. I did find one other retailer in Canada that had something, but after tax and shipping, it ended up pretty much the same price. So it arrived yesterday, thankfully. So I'm going to open this up and go through the process of replacing it. Cool. First things first, unplug the darn thing. Okay, in this guy, it is a bigger unit. I'm pretty sure I've done this guy in the past, and I have to slide. Oh no, I need a screwdriver. Hold on, where's my screwdriver? Oh, it's upstairs. Bring it back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if I can unscrew this guy. One, two. Okay, now this faceplate should come off. Yes. Okay, so it's coming off here. Can I get this? There is, okay, so this is powered batteries. I mean, please don't touch the positive and negative connector at the same time with something metal. It'll spark. I mean, I don't think we're talking a lot of juice with these guys. But warning. Here's a front connector plate. There's a cable here. You can just pull it here, it'll disconnect, no problem. Cool, so that's off. We can put that aside. Okay, so now, okay, let's see if you can see this. See how I have one connector here. Just give it a wiggle, it'll come off. You can kind of pull it this way. Okay, doesn't really want to come out. Let's see if this guy will slide out instead. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, she's heavy. Do I get a pair of pliers or something? Okay, well. There is another bracket bar here, so I'm gonna take that off. And I will set this aside. Move this ribbon out of the way. Okay. I should have slide this out a little bit now. Okay, one of them's off. Yay! Two, you just really need to pull hard. Okay, so this should now pull out. Ha! So that is one of the batteries. Cool, yeah. 12 volt. Okay, don't need that. Put that there. And the next one is the exact same thing. Okay, cool. How was that in there? Yeah, red to red, black to black. And the yellow one will connect them all. So let's take this out. It's possible the new battery will come with one of these yellows. So let's put this aside for the moment. Where is my package? Battery replacement instructions. Yeah, that's why you're watching this video. Like I say, heavy. Heavy. Note, I did go with official CyberPower batteries. In theory, you don't have to. I mean, sometimes I trust the brand. I mean, why not? It was the same price. Interesting that these two are sealed together. So, yeah, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so these two batteries are sealed together by this tape, which is odd considering that when I bought it, I put in the exact model. I was hoping to get something that would be a little bit more plug and play. Okay, so there is a thing here. You can see it right here, a little plastic tab that says, "Caution, please pull this plastic strip to remove battery." Cool. So, what I do want to compare though is I don't know where I got these batteries. I don't think these, when last time I replaced these, I don't think I put in real CyberPower ones. That's okay, but I just want to make sure they are the same voltage. Here we go. Oh, maybe I did. Yeah, they look identical, which is a good sign. Okay, that makes me happy. So now I need to separate them. Sorry. Okay, sticky thing gone. Okay, so what are we working with here? It's like a connector thingamajiggy. Both batteries are. I'm just going to disconnect all of the cables that they gave me. And I can rewire it afterwards. Okay, maybe leave this guy on. This guy will work. Okay, so then I'll take this guy and just okay, so you can see I'm struggling with. Let's just disconnect this. Okay, this here is the connector piece, and it is useless to us, so you can toss that aside. Okay, so now we have two batteries. We're back to where we started. Awesome. I'm going to slide this guy back into here. Okay, so that's the one. Great. The other one is like this, I think. I do recommend taking a quick snap with your phone of just like what it looks like and what the cable configuration. I mean, there's not a whole lot of cables, but you don't want to have to get them mixed up. So, cool. So we know that this guy is going to connect into this guy, and I don't think there's any particular order. Just this guy. This guy. Okay, that guy goes down. Why do I feel like that's not going in properly? Okay, well, I think I'm gonna switch out to the other cable then. Okay, this one, I'm gonna take out this black one. I'm gonna put the one that was in it, which is this yellow one. It'll slide under there really well. Excellent. That has to go in a little bit better than that. Just trying to make sure wires aren't pinched here. Maybe that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. It's only going in as far as it goes in. So let's leave that like this. I was hoping that this battery would go a little more flush, right? But I just checked and I'm pretty sure it'll fit in fine. So okay, let's get this yellow guy connected to the black. And red guy connected here. Okay, batteries are now connected. Now we need to put this guy back on. So let's put him back onto his side. Reconnect the ribbon first. The ribbon will only go on one way, so you were lucky. Some ribbons aren't like that. Okay, this. Oh, forgot the brace. You take this back off, put this brace back on. Not really sure what it does all that much, but it's there. I don't remember if it was like that or if it was like this. I'm going to guess like this. Go. One. Two. Okay, braces in. Back inside. Reconnect the cable. Slide the front to the bottom, put the two screws back in. In theory, we probably should test the battery's work before we put the whole thing back together. Not that I've ever done that before and have to take the whole thing apart again, but we're winging it. Let's just back out. Okay, so let's plug this guy back in. There we go. Okay, we're back. I have now plugged in the battery backup. I should be able to turn it on. That is a good sound. That is a good sound. Now, interesting enough is that I didn't know my battery was dead in my unit until the power fluctuated a couple times. And my whole computer, my everything, my NAS, everything just turned off. And I was like, and And so I actually ran the CyberPower. There's an application called Business, CyberPower Business, and you can run it and you connect it with a USB cable and it'll tell you, and you can run a battery test. And it said everything was fine. I reached out to their support and they said, yeah, even though it says it's fine, when it's under load, it's usually an indication that your battery's dead. So don't always trust the software. It happened twice in a row where my whole system shut off, and that was enough for me to go spend $100 on a new battery. So that is it. It is in. I'm gonna go plug this in, let it charge itself up, and then I can reconnect my computer and get back to going. Okay, awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned lots. Please like and subscribe.